Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to give different color in specific text in Elementor. So let's get started. I'm going to show you in my existing home page. So I'm going to open my pages and here I'm going to open my home page with Elementor. Make sure to go with this. Once you end up over here, this is how it looks like. And the example I'm going to show you over here, it's for this one, the first one over here. And let's say if I want to change robots to a different color, how I can do it. Even though if you can reselect it and you can select it from over here, you cannot change the specific text color. How you can do it? Let me show you. First of all, let's say I want to change robots, right? So I'm going to write before robots span class equals and inverted commas. Here I'm going to write like yellow and inverted commas closed. After that, make sure to close the bracket. Once you do that, go ahead and write after robots bracket slash span and close bracket. This is what we needed. Make sure to copy this yellow so we can use it later on. Once you add all of this, go to advanced and after that close this layout, open custom CSS and here we are going to enter something. Write dot and I copied yellow, right? So I'm going to paste that over here, space, bracket. After that, write color, colon, and write yellow. Once you write yellow, you can see right away at the right, we can see that robots turned into yellow color. So what happens that we assign robot as yellow name and we are going to change yellow as yellow color. Obviously, you can choose different color also. So if I write red over here, it will turn into red. Or if I write, pink, it will turn into pink. So you get the idea. But there is one more thing. You can also add code over here like digital hex code. We all know that. You can also add those over here. So if I write over here like hashtag F9004D, you can see this is the kind of pink and red color. So obviously you can find that on your website and obviously on Google, you can search hexacode for colors. You will find multiple out there. So once you enter the code and you select the color, make sure to at the end enter bracket close. So otherwise it won't get changed later on. After that, just click on update and it will be updated. So this is how to change and give different specific color in specific tests. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.